My name is Angela and this is Cupcake, and we're from New Jersey, USA. And Cupcake is a service dog and a therapy dog. She's 2 pounds. She's 6 inches long and she's 6 years old and loves vegetables. She's a vegetarian. She is a teacup, long hair, apple face chihuahua. And when I seen this little face, I knew Cupcake was special. And you know how you just had that feeling and you have a sense? I just felt that Cupcake was the one for me. It was the greatest day of my whole life. Seeing that little fuzzball and that looked like a little mouse in that cage. I lived in my studio apartment, which is only 1 room, and I kept losing her. So I had to go get kitty cat belts to put around her neck to find her. Cupcake has helped me a lot because of all the trauma that I've had in my life. I had my son, and it was the happiest day of my life. Besides Cupcake, it was the happiest day of my life. Well, I'm married, I'm happy. Well, I was abused, real bad. I left with my son, and I'm thinking, I'm just gonna go do this on my own. Well, I really had nowhere to go. And I left my son with a babysitter one day. I came home and my son was gone. He was only 5 years old. So I lost it, I gave up. I said, that's it, I'm done. I lost my husband, I lost my home, I lost my son. Life isn't worth all this. So then my brother had got leukemia after that. And we fought with that for 2 years. A week before my brother passed away, my dad passed away, my stepfather. I had carpal tunnel in my left hand. And they had did surgery on me, thinking, hey, this is simple surgery, I'll be okay. Well, after the surgery, I never knew when you get a surgery that you can get RSD. For 5 months, I mentally had to prepare myself that my hand was coming off. So Cupcake has seen me through that too, keeping my spirits high. Cupcake just does it because she loves people.